Guys, we're back with another video. We just got a new Xbox and we're gonna unbox it for you guys. And here we go. Okay, wait, hold up. So look, this is the Xbox. And yeah. So here, I will open it. Here, hold this, start recording me, buddy.
Wait, no.
Okay, I got this.
No, I'm gonna open it.
And okay, Benea's gonna open it. Wait, hold up. I'm gonna come over here. Benea's gonna open it and take out one thing of it. Okay, come on.
It's a mystery box, by the way, guys.
No, it's not. It's an Xbox, guys.
Is this a Funkoo?
Oh my God! Give me that. Wait. No, one at a time.
Okay, I gotta pick out.
Oh, guys, this is the wrong video. Whatever. We'll just do this. Funko Pop opening. Who is this? From Black Panther? Nakia? Whatever.
And that's
Whatever.
And
we got this actually from Dave & Buster's.
Let's see what he picked.
Dave & Buster's. Okay, we'll set that one right
Well,
there.
Dave & Buster's nice because they actually send it. Let's see what he gets from.
Okay.
Oh! Hulk rag! Oh!
Okay, let me see that one. Hulk Bernardnack, guys. Hulk. It should say Hulk Bernardnack, but whatever.
Oh my.
So we'll set that one there.
How?
Okay, next up.
Oh! Spider-Man! Oh my God! New Spider-Man. The stealth suit. Oh my.
Spider-Man stealth suit.
Now I can pick mine.
He's Far From Home. Spider-Man Far From Home. 3 right there. How much do we have in total, guys?
3. I don't know. 3.
Okay.
Right here. We got 3. No,
That means we have none.
How much more? I feel
No.
3.
Okay, so that was okay.
Okay. Thor rag. 2 rags.
Thor Renardnack this time.
Dave, could it
Thor.
be for me? Can they? Yeah. Oh, that's nice.
Oh. He be popping them bubbles.
He let me have. Guys, my brother David, he let me have the other 2. So let's pick the first one. Fortnite.
Oh, we got a Fortnite fella. This one's also from Dave & Buster's.
How did that happen? It's like looked like pin.
Oh, pin on his forehead. Perfect.
Yeah, but
Okay.
that looks cool because it's like
High-rise assault trooper.
Okay.
This one there, and for the final one,
Last but not least,
let's see what we have.
Miles Morales.
Spider-Man Into the Spider-Verse. Miles Morales. Okay, guys. Now we will be Okay, guys. Now we will be showing you all of them out of their box after they straighten up this. Okay, perfect, guys. Okay, guys, we will unbox them all and show you all of them in 3, 2, 1. Okay, guys, we're back. So first, this is the Fortnite dude. Whoops. Fortnite. He looks like a military dude, but obviously because he's Fortnite. Oh, and he's building with that book thingy. Hi, my name's Fortnite. Just kidding. Okay, on to the next one. Here you go, buddy. Thor Renardnack. I can't even get it. Thor Renardnack. This one actually is a bobblehead one too. Hey Thor, what's your name? Okay, nice. Oh, his cape is kind of torn. Okay, on to the next one. Hulk Renardnack. The biggest one we have yet. Jeez, he's a little heavy too. Look at all these details.
Look at those calves.
Jeez, bro.
Calf muscle.
What's in there? I see his butt, guys.
B.
Okay, look at the back.
B.
Guys, look. Do you guys see his butt right there? Do you guys see it? I don't think you guys can see it, but I see his butt. Okay, guys, on to Miles Morales. Hold up. Pause. David just showed me something very funny. Let's see that again.
Oh yeah, and that's my Chewbacca I got from Christmas. I'm pretty sure.
Tony, 2 years ago, though.
Tony, it's like Tony's like second.
On to the next one, Miles Morales. Okay, let's get this one over with. Miles Morales was the first one any of us had.
What the?
Cool details.
Cool. He looks so cool.
And somebody slobbered all over the back. Look at it.
Someone sucked his head.
Okay, on to the next one.
Don't do that last. Tony, do this one. That last. You're so bad.
Whatever his name was.
Spider cell suit.
Spider cell suit.
You're bad. You're so bad.
Okay, guys, and on to the last one.
Last but not least.
We have the girl.
Hey, you go back. Give me that spider cell suit.
Okay, this is the girl from Black Panther. And guys, we'll be right back. Okay, guys, this was just a surprise, but wait, let me see this real quick. This guy right here has been very mean. And next one is to show you guys what we have to go through. Well, at least this guy has to go through. Boys and girls, ladies and gents, that's how you do it.
Make sure to leave a like and subscribe.
Leave a like, comment down below what you thought of this video. Oh my gosh, I'll talk a lot. Oh god, I'm not a granny. Anyways, guys, maybe it was a little blurry. Let me wipe that off. Okay, guys, I couldn't fix it. Sorry, it's so blurry. Okay, it stopped. But leave a like, comment down below what you thought of this applesauce, frozen applesauce. And we'll see you guys next time. So leave a like, comment down below. Subscribe, and I will be posting a video exactly right after this video. So see you guys. Bye. Say bye, David.
Bye.
Say bye, B. And we'll see you later.
Bye.
In